In the previous lecture, you learned about the first lines of CSS that you should always write. Let's see on the browser what is the current state. So this is the project that we have just so far created. Now we need a container to center it here, and for that I'm about to write some CSS so that you can see. So for example, I will call these type of things like the things which can help us in maintaining our layout. I call them objects. So here is the object right here, object, and what I will do, I will add the class. I will target this element, this main element, this one. So in container, I'm about to write the maximum width to 75 rem, which will be equal to 750 pixels, and then after that I will center it by using this margin 0 auto trick. What it will do, let's see on the browser. So yeah, it just centered this to list, but I want it here as well. What I will do, I will use the flexbox technique. Now I'm moving towards the display flex, minimum height to 100 viewport height, and then I will add this to align item center. Okay, this is what I desired for this one. I think that's an object, and that's what is needed for our container part. So this has been clear. Like container, we needed a container to adjust our pricing table. That's enough for this lecture, guys. I will see you in the next one.